morning friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kriti Kumar. Currently I am studying BE Civil Engineering final year in University Institute of Technology, Burdwan. In this YouTube video, we're gonna learn analysis and design of tall building by using ETAP software, which I learned from Skyfi Labs. Skyfi Labs is a perfect stage and platform to learn online and working projects on various subjects like CSCIT, civil, mechanical, robotics, etc. Several online courses videos are being uploaded to learn from their home to enhance their skill and practical knowledge. In this video, we're gonna analyze and design the G+20 story building used either for residential or commercial purpose, and this project will be assigned to Skyfi Lab online courses. Now, to draw the building, we have to see our building statement as well as problem statement of the building. In our new problem statement, we're going to design our tall building by considering seismic load, also response spectrum, and the design will be in Patna. Now to design this building and to apply the seismic resistance, we have to define some earthquake load. So open your ETAP software, click your open existing model and open the model which you have done for wind load. Hence, your model will open. Now to apply seismic load, go to Define menu, click on Load Pattern, to give the earthquake seismic load, first you have to unlock your model. To unlock your model, click here to unlock your model, and the model will be unlocked. Now, define the seismic load. Go to Define, Load Pattern, type seismic, load type as seismic, select outer lateral load IS 1890-2000. Click on Add New Load. Now, click on Modify Lateral Load. Here, the earthquake load will act in X direction and Y direction only. So, remove this all or untick this eccentric. Now, to select seismic coefficient, you have to open your IS 1893 to see the value of zone factor, response reduction and importance factor as well as site type. Select our seismic zone factor value, open your IS code. See page number 5 of IS 893 and see where Patna lie in zone. We can see Patna lie in zone 4. So, to find the value of zone factor, go to table 2. For zone 4, the Z value is 0.24. Enter the value 0.24. Now, site type, to select site type, go to figure 2 of your IS code. Select type 2 as we are considering medium soil. And for importance factor, go to table 6 in IS code. As it is residential building, so its value is 1.0. For response reduction value, scroll to table 7 of your IS code. As it is ordinary RC moment resisting frame, so its value will be 3.0. Click on OK. OK. Hence we have defined our seismic load. Now to apply the response spectrum, go to define, click on function, click on response spectrum. Now choose function type IS 1890-2002. Click on add new function. Now give any suitable function name response spectrum. Enter the joule value of 0.24. So I'll tap 2, which is OK, and click on OK. Hence we have defined our response spectrum function 2. Now set the load case of your response spectrum. Now to select a load case, again go to define menu, click on model load case and click on add new case. Now give the load case name response spectrum. Load case type response spectrum and click on add to apply load. Now load type will be acceleration and U1 will be in X direction. Function type will be response spectrum. Now to find the scale factor, we have formula I into G by 2R. Now to find the scale factor, let's calculate slowly. Enter the value scale factor 163.5. Now to apply in Y direction, again click on add. Now here load name will be U2 and function will be response spectrum. And the value will be same 163.5. And for directional combination type, select as CQC3 and click on OK. OK. Hence we have now defined seismic load as well as response spectrum. Now we have to run our load case. To run the load case, go to analyze, click on set load cases to run, click on run to none for wind load and click on run now option to run the load case. As you can see, analysis has been done and we can see the analysis result in 3D view tab. You can see an animation of our building model. Now to see the other analysis result like building moment, axial force, shear force, just click on display, click on process stress diagram, click on frame, click on moment 3 by 3, click on apply. As you can see bending moment, to see shear force, click on shear 3, click on apply. In this way you can see various analysis results. Now go for design of your structural member. To design the structure member, click on Design, click on Concrete Frame Design, click on View/Revise Preferences. Set design port to IS456,000. Click on OK. Again, go to Design, click on Concrete Frame Design, click Start Design/Check. The software will check all the concrete members, beam and column whether the beam or column will withstand the forces stress or not. Now, verify all member pass. Before that, we can see our longitudinal reinforcing value of our beam and column. Zoom in to see your value. Now, go for design and click concrete frame design and click verify all member pass. All the concrete frame are passed as per our design check. Hence, you have successfully modeled your structure and it is safe for construction. Now, to see your project report, go report, click on report from your left report and click on project report to see your full information of your project as well as summary report. Before that, click on detailing and click on start detailing to see your structural detailing like beam, column, slab. Click on drawing sheet component view, click beam detail, click concrete beam, click schedule table and click on concrete rebar beam table. As you can see, the property of concrete rebar table. This is the layout of the frame. Now see your other detailing like beam. Go to force slab. See your any slab detail. Hence in this way you can see various detailing. To see the report, click on summary report. This is the full summary report of your project. Hence, you have successfully completed your seismic resistance building analysis and design. Hope you like this video. Also to see my first video, click here I button to see my building model to how I created a model, grid as well as material as well as section properties and assigning different live load and dead load. Hope you like this video. Thank you.